we initially came up with this wonderful voice over IP related program, and we didn't have anybody that wanted to do it. So we actually have to do very conscious recruitment. We have awareness sessions, we go into the high schools, we speak at business events, where we pretty much show up wherever we have someone who will listen to us so that we can talk about what the careers really are. Because what we're selling really is the career. It's not the curriculum. It's here's the vision of the future. And the thing that's scary and exciting and exhilarating about what we do is, in fact, that whatever we're doing today is probably not what any of us are going to be doing in 6 months or a year. Definitely not what we're going to be doing in 18 months or 2 years. So that we need to have a balance between teaching students the skills that are necessary to go off and immediately become employable, but also the critical thinking skills through our problem-based learning and capstone virtual internships and externships. We are teaching them how to teach themselves and how to learn new things.
So this probably is a lot of nimbleness required by faculty and the curriculum developers. How is this working out?
Well, we have to have the folks on our team who are exhilarated and excited to address the ever-changing landscape. This is not for the faint-hearted. This is not for the faint-hearted student nor the faint-hearted faculty or staff member. We have a constant search for more exciting and flexible faculty in the marketplace, and we use people all over the nation to help us create curriculum and roll out programs. We even have a mentored college program. There are 3 main partners in our grant. 2 of them are community colleges. One is a 4-year university that actually takes our 2-year degree and transfer, which is pretty remarkable because it's a workforce degree. Then we have 19 colleges across the nation that we work with and have helped to implement convergence programs. And while we are helping many of those colleges, some of the colleges have become very mature, and they then are in our mesh network. It's not really a hub and spoke network anymore. It's really a mesh where all of the colleges help each other at this point. And so we have a lot of new talent, lots of talent from the businesses nationwide, because not only are we dealing with the people that we've recruited and groomed to be in our business and industry leadership team, but also the folks that are being brought in by all these other colleges nationwide. Our measures of success are, first of all, we said we were going to have mentored colleges. We're counting the numbers of mentored colleges who actually put in programs. We're also counting the number of students that ultimately are educated and placed through all of our programs, the mentored programs, our programs for the partners, and also those that actually transfer over to the 4-year degree. Interestingly enough, the University of North Texas, that is one of our main partners, is moving their BA in IT, which, by the way, is in the process of being ABET accredited. They're moving that particular degree into at least a partial online offering, which is going to make it available to all of our mentored colleges nationwide. So that's really exciting. And I also want to tell you just a little bit, we just were awarded a Department of Labor grant for IT, working with 3 other National Science Foundation ATE centers. We're covering the entire landscape of IT, including geospatial, including programming, applications development, including the networking area where we are, and also cybersecurity. The various centers that are represented are the Cassius Center at Moraine Valley, the whole Baytech partnership in Massachusetts, the Geotech Center in Delmar, at Delmar College in South Texas, and then Collin is the seat of the Convergence Technology Center. We're also working with Bellevue Community College, Rio Salado Community College, and Salt Lake Community College. And each of these 7 partners are working with 2 or 3 of their customary partners in the area to basically cross-pollinate. For example, Collin is wanting to put in a GIS program, so we're working with the Geospatial Center to do that. Others are wanting to put in the networking program for mobile computing, and in fact we're working with them to do that. This grant was just awarded, and we're very, very excited. We're able to build on the capabilities that we already had in the National Science Foundation centers and spread it nationwide.